Nice.
All right.
Say hi to Sam from Sawdust, everybody. What be going down, people of the world? My name is Redbeard. This is Sawdust City Brewing's head brewer, Sam.
Hey, bud.
Yeah. And we're at FUNKFEST at Sawdust City in Gravenhurst, about to try their, what was that?
Flotter Dreier.
Their blah 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 blah. What is this?
It's a three-way collab we do with Block 3 and Stack Brewing. And Flotter Dreier just means three-way in German.
That's awesome, actually. Okay, and what is it?
It's a Berliner Weiss that was brewed and aged in the fooders at Block 3. Then we barrel aged it in Sudbury at Stack, and then brought it back here and packaged it and added 80 liters of pink water.
That is actually really cool. This beer has been on a journey.
Yes, it's an all Ontario beer.
It smells really, it's got that funky kind of.
So you get there's a lot of funk, so it's barrel aged, you get a little bit of barrel. And we also did it's soured in the fooders, so you get a lot of that lacto and pedio. And then the pink guava adds a nice fruitiness.
Let's give it a shot. Oh wow. That is really different. It's like super fruity and nice and tart, and like different flavors going crazy in that beer. Let's do that. Cheers, everybody.
Been a lot of fun brewing it. It's great to hang out with buddies and make beer.
It's got a great, like, back of the tongue, tart, sour kind of quality. It's delicious beer.
Was liking it?
Oh yeah, man. It's really smooth, actually. Like the tartness comes and the flavor, and then it just kind of fades away into absolutely no bad aftertaste. Nothing. There's nothing bad in that. Drink nevertheless.
It's super limited, so unfortunately it's only available here, and we got about 600 cans available at retail.
Yeah, Sawdust, Block 3, and Stack.
Damn, Sawdust City. Flotter Dreier.
Yeah, that's what it's called. Rate it. That's a solid 9. That is bloody delicious beer. And I'm sorry that many of you can't have it.
I wish we made more, bud.
Thanks a lot, man. That was awesome. Great. Thank you for watching. Peace out.
Thanks, man.
Oh, that was great.
I gotta run inside because I gotta